Is it scary that the mascot will be uncomfortable? Our fluffy monster scares only with its name. There is a light isolon frame inside. The animator's eyes are located in the area of the mascot's forehead, and the ventilation is also there. The review is excellent. It breathes freely. Included, soft shoes with rubberized soles, pants and gloves. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control. Suitable for animators up to 85 centimeters tall, optimally for size 48 with a height of 175. The production period is from 14 days. An ideal solution for Halloween, quests, youth parties, promotions, and any events where you need a bright, non-standard hero without unnecessary hassle. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions. We ship all over Russia and to 160 countries around the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an exact calculation of the cost of an individual order? Contacts for video? Write, call, Carnival Factory, made in Nizhny Novgorod. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.